Hi, my name is Gina Crawley, and welcome to another episode of Debtors' Rights. Protect your healthcare aides from creditors is what we're going to talk about on this episode. This is the first page of the request to protect income and assets, and this is the document that you want to file with the court. Hold on just a minute, my screen just cut off. Okay. So, first, you're going to write in the court. You see that at the top of your screen. And then next, you're going to select which county that you are in within Tennessee. Now, the file number, docket number, and case number, that's the same information. So you'd write the file number in there. Generally, it's the same. It should be the same. So, and also division, that's for larger counties. Plaintiff / creditor, you're writing your creditor's name in that blank. The second blank, you'd write in the defendant / debtor. That would be your information. Then you have to write in your employer's information. And then with this episode, we're talking about healthcare aids. So check the box about healthcare aids, attach proof of your healthcare aids, and you want to white out any type of personal information that could be on the healthcare aid. So for example, these healthcare aids means like professionally prescribed. So let's say maybe your doctor may have prescribed you a special bed or something like that. That could be worth a lot of money. So you want to present proof of the prescription that, hey, this bed was was professionally prescribed by my doctor. Whatever it is, it should be professionally prescribed, and you want to present proof, attach proof of the prescription. Now sometimes on medical records there could be like a medical record number. You want that to be redacted. There could be your social, a partial social. You want that redacted. Any type of personal identifying information, you want that redacted. White it out, because you don't want this information. When I say redacted, I mean white out, removed, white it out, because you don't want that information to end up in the public record. A lot of times these documents are filed and they become part of the public record, and you don't want your personal identifying information to become in the public record. And also too, sometimes these documents they'll charge a filing fee, okay? And if there's a filing fee associated with this document, you can't afford to pay the document, you want to ask for an affidavit of indigency. Fill that out to see if your filing fees can be moved to the back end of the case. The filing fees don't go away. You just won't have to pay the filing fees now, and the filing fees would move to the end of the case, okay? Now, this is the second page of the request to protect income and assets. So you would want to sign the form, you date it. You definitely want to make sure you get your hearing date. That hearing date is very important. At that hearing date, the court will look at your documents and decide if your property is going to be protected from the creditor. So let me also say this too. So if you have 10 creditors, you would have to file this document 10 times, okay? So you have to file this document for each and every single creditor, okay? So you want to go to your hearing date, because if you don't show up for your hearing date, your case could be dismissed, and then you would walk away with no protection at all. You want to complete the certificate of service. So by this, you would write in, how was the creditor served? Was they served by e-file, electronic service? Was it hand delivered in open court? Did you hand deliver it to their office? Did you mail this document to them? Whatever you did, you want to describe that, write that in the certificate of service. Write in the name of the creditor, the name of the person who sued you, write in the person's address, and all this information should be on the initial lawsuit. Like when you were served, all this information should be on the civil warrant. So just pull that information from the civil warrant and write it on the back write it in your certificate of service. And then you want to write in the date that you mailed it to them, or the date that you e-filed it, the date that you hand delivered it to them. You want to write in the date in the spot where it says date you mailed, delivered, hand delivered this document. And then you want to sign the document again. Now this part here that you see on your screen now, this is page 3. The judge will complete this document. So your proof should have been attached, but if for some reason you did not attach proof of your prescription that these healthcare aids have been prescribed, then you want to bring those prescriptions to court, okay? So see if the other side will agree. And even if the other side will not agree, or even if the other side agrees, you still need to go before the judge, and the judge has to sign off on it. to indicate that the healthcare aides are protected. Okay, but if the creditor does not want to agree, it's okay. It's okay. Don't be afraid to go before the court, to approach the judge with your proof, asking that your healthcare aides be protected. Because the worst that could happen is the judge say no, but the best court scenario would be that you walk away with the protection that you sought to get. So definitely go in and don't be afraid to go to the judge. So to get this document, just use the link in the description. And also, thank you so much for watching. Please continue. Most importantly, just spread the word. Let other people know that there is protection out there for their healthcare aides, and just tell them about this so they can get the protection they need from the creditor. No attorney-client relationship was formed by watching this video. This is general information. I am getting the word out. My name is Gina Crawley. I'm an attorney out of Nashville, Tennessee. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more episodes.